As a business owner, you can take some very easy, small, and practical steps to protect your business against crimes. Let's discuss surveillance systems as a part of safety and security. Visible surveillance systems and cameras are a great tool for deterring crime and can also serve as evidence when needed. Business owners should regularly check to ensure their surveillance system is fully functioning and are up to date. Having the correct camera system in place is important. All surveillance systems should have at least 1080p quality cameras, 30 days recording capacity, full coverage of inside and outside of the business, including back areas of the business, TV monitors visible to customers and employees, proper login and password assigned for access to the system, proper training on how to use the surveillance system, and remote viewing capability through your mobile device or computer. Surveillance systems can be improved by using the most correct camera type for different areas around a business. Use wide-angle cameras to get greater visibility and cover a larger shopping area. This helps reduce the need for too many cameras on the sales area. Use narrow-angle cameras for sharper, detailed coverage in areas like the checkout counter, high-value areas, and entrances and exits. Narrow-angle cameras help detect theft and settle transaction disputes when needed. Install a camera at the front entrance at eye level or 5 feet height. This will ensure you get a clear and sharp image of any person or visitor at your business. Install a TV monitor at the front entrance with a view of the front entrance for entering customers and visitors. Showing surveillance to entering guests provides a sense of security and deters criminal activity. Be sure your cameras are night vision or infrared and able to record in the dark. Set up your surveillance system to record on motion or movements to manage the recording capacity of your surveillance system. Surveillance systems older than 5 years should be upgraded or replaced. Always have a professionally installed system with commercial-grade cameras, recording equipment, and hard drives for quality and longevity of the system. Repair or replace any cameras that are losing quality or have malfunctioned. Consider having a service contract to perform regular checkup on your system and equipment. Give a trusted third party access to the surveillance system for improvements and recommendations, and speak to your employees to get their feedback for improvements to the camera placement, for theft prevention, reducing crime, and improving business safety. Surveillance systems, when installed properly and maintained regularly, are a great tool for reducing crime and providing safety for customers and employees.